Techne TV. I am Adeshri Jain. We bring you the biggest stories from across the nation and around the world. Let's take a look at today's top 10 headlines. Fast, precise, and first. US President Donald Trump has announced a temporary halt to military actions against Iran for 2 weeks. The decision reportedly follows an appeal from Pakistan's leadership. Iran has confirmed the ceasefire and agreed to reopen the Strait of Hormuz. This move has eased global tensions and led to a drop in crude oil prices. A special revision of electoral rolls will begin across 22 states and union territories. Around 390 million voters will fall under this exercise. Reports suggest nearly 9.1 million names may be removed in West Bengal, sparking political reactions. Assembly elections in 5 states are also scheduled after this month. India's Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri is set for a 3-day visit to the United States. The trip aims to strengthen India-US bilateral relations. Key strategic discussions are expected during the visit. The tour is being seen as significant in the context of global diplomacy. Air India has raised fares on domestic flights. The new pricing comes into effect from April 8, with tickets becoming up to 899 rupees more expensive. The hike is attributed to rising jet fuel cost. Passengers are likely to feel the direct impact on their travel budgets. Mamata Banerjee will file her nomination from the Bhawanipur constituency today. A delegation from Trinamool Congress will also meet the Election Commission. Political activity in the state as its peak ahead of elections. Nitish Kumar may hold his final cabinet meeting today. The meeting is expected to include several major decisions. It holds importance ahead of the upcoming elections. The Supreme Court will continue hearing the Sabarimala temple entry case today. A 9-judge constitutional bench is reviewing the matter. This issue continues to spark nationwide debate. Accused Ashok Kharad will be presented in the court again today. With police custody ending, authorities may seek extended remand. The case remains under close public scrutiny. South Indian superstar Allu Arjun turns 44 today. He once aspired to join NASA but found his destiny in films. Early struggles due to his looks did not stop him. His blockbuster Pushpa The Rise turned him into pan-India superstar. The Indian Premier League 2026, Delhi Capitals will face Gujarat Titans. The match will be played at Arun Jaitley Stadium from 7:30 p.m. Delhi is in strong form while Gujarat is still searching for its first win. Those were today's top 10 headlines. Stay tuned to Techne TV for every major update. Goodbye and take care.